All right, court is calling 2023 CR 0059, State of Texas versus Noe Alejandro Guerrero. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Sean Sheffield, John.
Are you Mr. Guerrero? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it? Are you the same Noe Alejandro Guerrero who's placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 0059 for the offense of theft 2,500 to 30,000 on February 3rd, 2023 for a term of 4 years? Is that you? State.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 29th day of April 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Noe Alejandro Guerrero, committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No, yeah.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, ma'am. It's revocation at 7 months in the state jail.
That was our agreement, Your Honor.
All right, why should I give you 7 months? You're on probation for theft and you pick up another theft. I mean, if you want to testify, you can. I mean, that's just a general question for.
Oh, I apologize, Judge. That was for him. Your Honor, we're just asking the court. He's run into some problems, some issues with he had with family and work and things like that, and just had a bad situation. He's been in now for almost 4 months. He's kind of seen that this is not where he wants to be, so he just wants to get his time done and be a better person here.
All right, so why should I give him 7 months? He picked up a new case. He's on probation for theft, and he picks up another theft.
Actually, homeless.
Okay, he's on probation for a theft case, and he picks up another theft. Would you like to say something?
Homeless.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Homeless.
No, state your name.
Oh, okay. No, Alejandro Guerrero.
All right, so you say you're homeless and?
I've been struggling. So, right now, I know if I go back out there, I'm still being in the struggle. I'm gonna end up doing the same thing. So I'll be in here and do my time.
No. Here's the thing. The state and the defense have agreed, well, recommending to the court, because I don't have to follow it, that you receive 7 months. I'm trying to understand why I shouldn't give you the full 2 years, because you're on probation for theft. You understand that? And you picked up another theft case. So I don't understand why I should follow your agreement.
He just asking for an opportunity. He understands he did something very stupid, and he's just asking for an opportunity. Your Honor, he's a young man, and he's told me he doesn't want to be back here, Your Honor.
All right, how old are you? All right, so what did you steal? All right, so that's the new case. You stole a vehicle? All right, so you say you're on probation for stealing a car?
Yep.
All right, so this new number 1 that you pled true to, what did you steal?
So, close.
All right, what did he steal?
Clothing from Jason.
All right. Oh. So what JC Penney?
South Florida.
Okay, why are you stealing clothes from JC Penney?
To make me eat.
All right, so I don't understand why you have a job.
So I have my feet social at that time.
So why didn't you go to probation and say, hey, I'm trying to get employment and I don't have my ID?
I was requiring doing.
So, and why didn't you go to the Salvation Army or the food bank?
I have a social ID.
You don't need a social, do you need a social security card to go to the food bank?
The ID for everything.
Do you need, somebody help me. If I'm wrong, let me know. If I am starving and I need food and I go to the food bank, or I go to the church, or I go to Salvation Army, are people telling me they're going to turn me down because I don't have an ID? Sorry, go starve somewhere else. Is that what you're telling me?
This one.
Anybody? Does anybody know that to be true?
This way.
All right. All right, I'm gonna find violation of condition number 1 true. What have you done on probation?
Just, I've been reporting stuff, so I just missed out, but I think my last 2 months.
Probation, has he done anything of significance on probation? All right, they're saying you have done nothing of significance on probation. You see here. When you have issues, your fallback shouldn't be, let me steal. You could have went to any other place. There are plenty of places in San Antonio that you can go to for clothing. And I'm assuming when you went to go steal clothing from JCPenney, you were clothed, right? All right. All right, I'm finding violation of condition number 1 true. I'm going to sentence you to 16 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? You do have a limited right to appeal, and that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on probation. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
All right, court is calling 2019 CR 9389, State of Texas versus Jaime Fuente. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Not done for the state.
Defense?
Valentina Cogur for Mr. Puente.
Are you Mr. Puente?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Jaime Puente who was placed on community supervision in 2019 CR 9389 for the offense of continuous violence against family on October 14, 2019 for a term of 2 years and extended for a year? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Your Honor, in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Jaime Puente, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February of 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
And just one moment.
And that's on the underlying, Your Honor, not on the supplemental one.
I'll say, all right, thank you. How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
State,
And the state will waive and abandon the others, Your Honor.
any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation, condition number 5? The court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is a proposed agreement, Your Honor, for 2 years.
Yes, Your Honor, that's our
Revocation, yes, sentence to 2 years, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Puente, is there anything you wish to say to the court?
Those 2 years, yeah, run with that look up.
No. That, whether or not I give you 2 years depends upon me. These parties can't agree on your sentence. So is there anything you wish to say to the court? All right, probation. Has Mr. Puente done anything on community supervision?
Judge, it looks like he completed the outpatient program, parenting class.
Okay. All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
I can put this.
All right, why are you not reporting?
The reason I stopped reporting was because I was told that I had to be enrolled in a GED class. And then at the last minute, when it was up to 2 years, they told me I had to graduate by that time. And there's no way that I was gonna graduate within 2-3 weeks. Then I said, why am I gonna report now? And I remember my professor was telling me, it would be nice that after you finish your probation, if you didn't graduate your GED, you continue doing it on the outside. And I remember her telling me that straight out. And then now at the end, they're telling me that I had to finish my GED before my probation was over. So that's why I said that don't make sense. But that's
No, I don't know of any, I could be wrong. I don't think any probation officer is telling you if you don't complete your GED, then we are going to issue a warrant for your arrest.
She told me that. She said it would be nice if I would continue the class after I finished the probation. In other words, I didn't have to get my GED. I was enrolled and active on.
All right, so we're back to the question, why didn't you report?
That's why.
Because somebody told you it will be nice after your probation is over, you
They told me
continue.
that I didn't have to graduate my GED by that time. I didn't have to get my GED by that time. And then they turned it back on me, telling me that I had to have my GED by the end of the probation. You understand what I mean now?
I do not. This is what I'm hearing from you, and if I'm wrong, correct me. You said that the person told you it would be nice after you're done with your probation that you continue with classes to complete your GED. And you said, great. And then you said they came back and said, no, you have to complete your GED by the end of your probation. And then your answer to that was, I'm going to stop reporting.
Yeah, because I didn't have enough time to do it anymore. So why am I going to report? You understand what I mean?
Oh, I understand what you mean. It just doesn't make any sense to me that probation would tell you that.
That's what was done.
And I ordered that you were to obtain your GED or be in a trade school, either one. So that doesn't make sense to me. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant the motion. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Is there anything else with regards to the sentence?
Nothing from the state.
Anything for the
You
defense?
are credit for time served.
Yes, I'll give him credit for any time that he served. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right. You do have a limited right to appeal, and that as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are in community supervision. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, and also because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
And there you have it. 2 cases, 2 very different stories. One consistent message from the bench. Probation is a privilege, not a placeholder. In case 1, Noy Alejandro Guerrero walked into court on probation for theft and somehow managed to pick up a brand new theft charge while on that same probation. The state and defense agreed on 7 months, but the judge wasn't buying it. And honestly, can you blame her? Like when you're on probation for stealing and your response to hardship is to steal again, from J.C. Penney no less, while already banned from the store, that tells the court everything it needs to know. The judge offered resources: food banks, the Salvation Army, churches. No ID required. The defendant had options. He chose a different path. Result? 16 months in the state jail facility. The proposed deal? Dead on arrival. In case 2, T. Jaime Puente faced the court on a continuous violence against family conviction. He completed outpatient treatment and a parenting class. Genuine progress. But then stopped reporting entirely. His reasoning? A miscommunication with his probation officer over a GED requirement. The judge heard it, examined it, and couldn't reconcile it. The court order was clear: GED or trade school. Puente's answer to confusion was to vanish from supervision altogether. And that decision cost him dearly. In 3 years in prison, plus an affirmative finding of family violence that will follow him long after his release. Both cases carry a broader lesson that goes well beyond this courtroom. Probation is your last off-ramp before prison. And if you treat it as optional, the system will treat you accordingly. Judges aren't unsympathetic to hardship. What they are is unforgiving of inaction, especially when resources and paths forward are available and documented. If you found these cases as eye-opening as we did, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Did the judge get it right? Should either defendant have received a lighter sentence? We want to hear from you. And if you want more real courtroom breakdowns like this one, hit that like button, share this video, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss the next case. Justice doesn't wait, and neither should you.